want Biafra people to look at all the political leaders from the old Eastern region today. They have all been humiliated by Fulanis.
Breaking news. The Biafra Republic Government in Exile activates de facto government in Biafra land and introduces official ID cards. Greetings, wonderful viewers. Hope you all are good today. Thank you for joining us. Today, we bring you a good news of a wonderful development from the office of Biafran government. But before we proceed, kindly turn on the subscription button, turn the notification bell, and become a member of this channel to have access to perks if you can. Thanks. The Prime Minister of the Biafran Republic Government in Exile, Mazi Simon Ekpa, has successfully established the Biafran de facto government in Biafra land. This announcement came during the May 30 Biafran Heroes Day Memorial and State of the Nation address, where he paid tribute to the fallen Biafran heroes and renewed his commitment to the restoration of Biafra. Taking to his Twitter handle, he reiterated the activation of the de facto government and called for the public to follow the state-by-state inauguration process. In his address, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa urged all agitating groups and concerned parties to unite against their common adversary, which is the Nigerian state. Furthermore, PM Ekpa unveiled the official identification card for the cabinet members of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile. Stressing its significance, he emphasized that every cabinet member is required to wear the ID card around their necks while attending conferences, meetings, or gatherings to officially represent the government. Each card will be assigned a unique serial number. Meanwhile, the Biafra Republic Government in Exile appealed to influential individuals worldwide, urging them not to remain silent regarding the plight of Biafran people. The government emphasized the importance of addressing specific human rights violations, including killings, property destruction, and the threat of annihilation faced by indigenous people of Biafra due to the actions of Nigerian government. To safeguard the Biafran race from extinction, the Biafran Republic Government in Exile, under the leadership of Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, has implemented various defense mechanisms and adopted necessary measures. The government highlighted the presence of individuals who possess clarity of thought, deliberate actions, and unwavering commitment to a better, fairer, and more just world. It emphasized that their voices should not be disregarded, as they have the ability to influence change during the time of injustice. The Biafra Republic Government in Exile urged everyone to reflect on their thoughts, actions, and stances regarding the plight of the Biafran people. It called upon individuals to seek understanding, empathize with the injustice faced by the Biafran people, and actively contribute to finding a solution. As the Biafran Republic Government in Exile takes significant steps towards establishing their de facto government and amplifying their cause, the future of the Biafran movement and its quest for self-determination remains an area of interest to observers.
I want Biafra people to look at all the political leaders from the old Eastern region today. They have all been humiliated by Fulanis. They are ashamed to align Biafrans. They are ashamed to accept that they have made a mistake. And inasmuch as they are ashamed, we still stretch our hand and wait for them to repent. Waiting does not mean that what we have activated yesterday is not going to go into full force. In fact, the liberation of Biafra have started in full force. And today, the Biafra Liberation Army has proven to them that we are ready to go. After having watched what Nigeria has done, disappearance of about 40,000 Biafra youth, over 50,000 Biafra youth killed, extrajudicially, almost 10,000 languishing in different dungeons in Nigeria today. Some articles estimated almost 40,000 Biafra youth are languishing in dungeon, including our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want to inform Biafrans that we have activated almost all the departments of the Biafra Republic Government in exile. Haven't mentioned the ordeal of Biafra people and our readiness to exit Nigeria this year. I hereby activate the de facto government of Biafra in the homeland. To remember the fallen heroes of Biafra who, because of their activities and their bravery, gave us the courage to stand very tall against our enemies today. The de facto government is hereby activated. In the coming days, the inauguration will start state by state, and we will announce the cabinet. Just like we did in the Biafra Republic Government in exile, today we have over 113 cabinet members and counting. Boko Haram are being recruited into Nigerian military, contradicting their treatment against IPOB, against MASOB, against other Biafra agitating group. In time to unite, that time is now. It is time to unite against the enemy of our freedom. Therefore, I call on all agitating groups to join hands together and let's defeat Islamic State in Nigeria and free ourselves from Islamic bondage. I call on all aggrieved parties to join the moving train of the Biafra Republic Government in exile. Deep down inside you, you know we have done something you have never done before. We have made our achievement and still counting. We are breaking the jinx. It is time to put differences aside if you really believe that you are genuinely fighting for Biafra. Don't make Simon Ekpa the Biafra you are fighting. It is time you bring what you have on the table. And for those who will say over their dead body, will Biafra come through Simon Ekpa? Go and write your will. You call me agent of Nigeria. Today, I am not. Call me agent of Tinubu. Today, I am not. You call me Ohaneze Ndi Igbo agent. Today, I am not. You called me Sabo. Today, I am not. The day for the inauguration of the Biafra Republic Government in exile will be announced very soon. The achievements so far are numerous. We have been recognized globally by the Universal Peace Federation. It is a step to the right direction, and a very strong message have been sent. The recognition of by the Universal Peace Federation is not just a global thing, it's universal. Universal Peace Ambassador. And like everybody know, that is whom we are. We represent peace. But in quest to make this peace reality, we have prepared for war. Having activated the de facto government of Biafra in the homeland, I hereby approve the immediate issuance of Biafra National Identity Card globally, starting from today. For those who are yet to have liaison office, be patient. The liaison office will be announced in many countries and they are going to be activated as soon as possible. For those who have had the privilege to have liaison office in their country, you wait patiently for the biometric machine to be installed in your liaison office in order to serve you very well. In order to make sure that we follow the template for the liberation of Biafra, all the government official is hereby requested to start the process of having their official identification card starting from today. And we call on Biafran people to keep their fingers crossed. Now, it is not the time to make noise on social media. The call to unite the entire agitating group is genuine and coming from the heart of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and myself. If you say that you are genuinely fighting for Biafra, it is time to keep your ego aside. You can never defeat me. It is time to keep your evil aside. You can't bring me down. Before joining the Biafra struggle, I was somewhere, and now I am here. And I'm really prepared. If you know what is speaking inside me, you will go and cover yourself for even trying to fight me. Today, another grace has been given to you. My focus is to make sure that Biafra people are liberated and history is made. My focus is not to use my spiritual power and everything I have against individuals. I'm using it against Islamic State that enslaved Ndibo. Those of you who called me terrorist, those of you who wanted me killed, those of you who placed bounty on me, those of you who were happy claiming that they have arrested me in Finland, thinking that you have a hope in Nigeria, I am very, very sure that you have lost hope. I'm very, very sure that today you are disappointed. Well, let me tell you, the love I have for you has no limit.